Hello, I'm Jackson Sturgeon. This is attempt 3 of the Rubik's Cube solving. The first time it actually scanned it, but it messed up some of the scanning and some of the sides were messed up. So we're going to try that again. And also, before we run it, we need to run MC3 solver, and then we need to run the program. And then it will get it ready. Then it will...
We believe the first error was due to low light, so Jackson's mom is helping out with providing additional lighting.
Yep. So now we need to insert the cube. And it's doing its awesome scanning process with the chocolate lab.
This is what we call the lab test.
So that's the third side that needs to get scanned. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. Now it will scan, if it fails to scan 3 times, then it is going to end the program and we're gonna have to start over again. But like once it actually does work, it's pretty awesome.
One issue with the lighting is the moving parts actually cast a fair number of shadows on the cube itself.
So this is attempt 3. If it fails to scan this time, then we're out of business. Okay, yes, it worked. So hopefully the lighting combined with the good scan is enough to get it exactly right. If it is, then that would be awesome. The lab test is laying down behind me.
Pass the lab test.
Okay, we'll pass the lab test. The lab test had to get a shave earlier, but it got attacked by another dog named Brutus. So sometimes it's a little slow on the turns. And it took a total of 18 steps to solve that one. The original one needed 26, but it descanned, so I got messed up. But Adam, this is your Rubik's Cube. Set right here. It's completely solved, thanks to the Mindcuber, and I'm gonna give it to my mama to give to your wife. I don't remember the name of either. Miss Crawford. To give it back to you. And if you ever need it to be solved again. By the way, this machine only works on regular Rubik's Cube, so they have to be the normal size and stuff, and they have to be the colors yellow, orange, white, green, red, and blue.
They have to be 3x3.
And they have to be 3x3. You can't do 4x4s. Or 20x20s.
2x2.
Or 2x2. But 2x2s are pretty easy to solve anyway. Okay, bye-bye.